Hey, check this shit, guys, out there. Look at that brand new public toilet. Fucking thing, I just saw the door open. It looks like a fucking elevator. It really does. How do you get in this fucking thing? Oh, it says it's cleaning itself. It says nettoyage en cours. It says currently cleaning. It's an auto cleaning toilet. Wow. Isn't that something? There's even Braille here. Ah. Oh, not working. It looks like a fucking elevator. It's so strange. The door sill, the door. Oh, here we go. Watch this. Look how weird that is. How many thousands of dollars do you think this cost the taxpayer?
La porte est ouverte. The door is open.
Wow, wow, wow.
La porte est ouverte. The door is closing.
Oh my god, it's air powered. Holy cow, this is trippy.
Bienvenue dans le service de toilettes automatiques. La toilette est lavée et désinfectée chaque fois qu'elle est utilisée. Appuyez sur le bouton ouvrir situé à côté de la porte s'ouvrira automatiquement.
Wow, and to think I was going to go drain the vein.
Welcome to the self-cleaning toilet.
Oh my
Toilet
God.
is cleaned and disinfected after each use. To exit, press the open button near the door. Door will open automatically.
Oh, well, I'm going to do my thing now. Wow, I'm really impressed. Look at that. There's the button for the toilet paper. Jesus, it's like the future is now or something. It's like Back to the Future here. When this fucking door closed, I thought it would the thing was going to start dropping. Like it just seemed like an elevator.
Door is opening. La porte est ouverte. Door is open.
Fucking weird.
Door is closing.
It's so strange. Boy, this city never ceases to amaze me. Never thought I'd be filming a toilet, but I mean, come on, it's impressive. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Mark, it looks like an elevator. It talks to you. It cleans itself. Holy fuck, how much do you think all that cost? Like 10 grand? At least 5. At least 5, I say 5. I'm sure one of you guys will probably tell me. That's what I love about the comment sections of videos. Ah, the things you learn from your... I almost said constituents, subscribers. By the way, we're on Rue Berry here, next to Barry UCAM. I was just going to go take a squirt at the National Library here, or whatever, plus or something. Anyway, whatever. Hope you liked it. Bye.